Anteaters, Armadillos, and Other Odd Animals by Mayne Reid. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Caroline Shapiro. Anteaters, Armadillos, and Other Odd Animals by Mayne Reid. This is perhaps the most interesting of the groups. Interesting on account of the singular animals which compose it, every one of which may be termed an odd creature. In a strictly natural classification, these animals would not come together, since many of the species are unlike the others both in appearance and habits. But in a scientific point of view, the absence of incisor teeth has caused them to be ranged together in a group known as the edentata, or toothless animals. In this group we shall give the first place to the true anteaters, and first speak of the anteaters of America. Of these there are four well-known species: the great ant bear, or tamanoir, the tamandua, or little ant bear, another little ant bear, the ringed tamandua, and a very small species that differs much from the other three. They are all inhabitants of tropical America, and there are varieties of them in different districts. The tamanoir is by far the largest, often attaining the size of a Newfoundland dog, and the long hair which covers its sides, together with its immense bushy tail, give to it the appearance of being much bulkier than it is. Its habits are tolerably well known, constituting a very curious chapter in natural history, which we have not space to give. Suffice it to say that its food consists entirely of ants and termites, which of themselves form a strange feature in the zoology of tropical countries. These it eats, not with teeth, but by means of its long slimy tongue, by which it is enabled to draw into its mouth hundreds of the little creatures at a time. The two species of smaller ant bears, or tamanduas, obtain their sustenance in a similar manner, and in other respects are like their great congener. But they possess a power with which the latter is not gifted, that of climbing trees, and making their nests high up in the cavities of the trunks. They have the further power of being able to suspend themselves from the branches with their tails, which, like those of the opossums, are highly prehensile. The tamanduas do not live solely upon ant diet. The wild bees that build nests among the branches are also objects of their attention, and their thick hairy skins appear to protect them from the stings of these insects. The smallest species, called the watiri, or two-toed anteater, differs altogether from the three above mentioned.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?